up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a lesson focusing on the great Stanley Randolph, and we're going to talk about 4 splash cymbal fills to spark your creativity. For our first fill, we're going to go right left on the rack tom, right on the floor tom, and finish with that left hand on the splash with the kick. Our right-handed paradiddle is going to be 16th notes, and we're going to start on the and of 2. So if we count it, it'll sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So nice and slow, I'm going to demonstrate the fill in the context of this groove. Okay, on to our second splash fill. This one is just going to involve hi-hat, the splash, and our bass drum. No snare drum, no other toms. Now, our sticking is going to go like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. On beat number 3, 3 and, those are going to be 2 rights in a row. But once we get that right hand up to the splash, our left hand is just hanging out over here on the hi-hat, so it's nice and easy to just alternate hands. And the last part is our bass drum. We're just going to play on beat 1 and beat 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so fill number 3. So this fill really starts on beat 4. We have both hands together. Right hand is on the hi-hat, left hand on the snare. Both hands to the hi-hat, right, left on the and of 4. And on the and of 4 with that right hand, we're going to add the bass drum. So just beat 4 sounds like this. Beat 1 of the next measure, we have right hand on the hi-hat, followed by a bass drum. And then we're going to go both hands to the snare and go right, left. All right, beat number 2, we have 2 bass drums followed by right, left on the rack tom. Beat number 3, we're going to go to the floor tom, right, left, right, followed by a kick. On that first right hand on the downbeat of beat 3, we're going to add another bass drum. Sounds like this. Okay, beat 4 is where we get that splash, and we're going to alternate our hands. Right hand's going to play the splash all by itself. Left hand on the rack tom, right hand on the floor tom, followed by a kick. And we're going to finish the fill by playing an open hi-hat with the snare at the same time on the downbeat of the next measure. Sounds like this. Okay, now that we got all the little pieces of our fill, we're going to put it all together. All right, our fourth and final example in this lesson. For this one, I'm using 2 different size splashes. However, use whatever you have. If you only have 1 splash, play on another cymbal. You could hit the bell of a cymbal, any other sound really. So our sticking, right hand on the hi-hat, left hand on the snare. And then my right hand's gonna go to this splash cymbal, my left hand's gonna go over here. And we're gonna keep going with those 16th notes. So this is the and, then we're gonna rest on beat 4, and our right hand's gonna play on the E. rest on the and our left hand's going to finish it up on the Alright, so to finish this lesson up, I'm going to demonstrate this fill within the context of the groove. Alright, and there you have it. There's 4 awesome splash cymbal fills by the great Stanley Randolph. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like and subscribe. That helps me so much. And move these around the drum set. Get creative with it. See what combinations you can come up with. Try them in different styles and different tempos. The possibilities are endless. Take care.